Knitters, welcome to your one step-by-step knitting class. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of knitting patterns, essential stitches, and how to achieve perfect results. Let's get started on your knitting journey. First, let's decode knitting patterns. These patterns are your roadmap to success, and they're written in a specific language. They tell you what to do, stitch by stitch, to create the intended design. You'll encounter many abbreviations, such as K for knit, P for purl, street for stitch, and more. Always look for a key or legend that explains these abbreviations. It's crucial for fully understanding the instructions and accurately executing the pattern. Next, let's explore the basic stitches. The knit stitch is the cornerstone of knitting. To execute this stitch, insert the right needle from front to back into the front of the stitch on the left needle. Wrap the yarn around the right needle, and then carefully pull the yarn through the stitch. The purl stitch is its equally important counterpart. Bring the yarn to the front of your work. Insert the right needle from right to left into the stitch. Wrap the yarn around the right needle, and pull it through. Practice these two stitches diligently, as they are absolutely fundamental to most knitting projects. Mastering these two stitches will greatly expand your knitting capabilities. Now, let's talk about casting on, the crucial first step. This is how you begin your knitting project. Creating the initial row of stitches on your needle. There are several methods for casting on, each with its own advantages. But the long tail cast on is a very popular and versatile technique. To perform the long tail cast on, start with a slip knot. Then make a loop with your yarn around the needle. This is how you create your first row of stitches. After casting on the required number of stitches, it's time to actually read and follow the pattern. Patterns usually provide detailed instructions, row by row. For example, knit across means to knit every stitch on that row. Purl across means to purl every stitch on that row. Pay incredibly close attention to these specific instructions, ensuring you follow them precisely to avoid any mistakes and successfully complete the project. As you progress, you'll encounter the need to increase and decrease stitches. These techniques are essential for shaping your project and giving it dimension. To increase, you might knit into the front and back of a single stitch. To decrease, you might knit two stitches together. Learning these techniques is a significant milestone in your knitting journey, and they'll open up a world of possibilities for your projects. When your knitting project reaches the size specified in the pattern, it's time to bind off. Binding off neatly secures the stitches and creates a clean, finished edge. There are several bind-off methods available, so choose one you find easy and comfortable to work with.